Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planting some radish seeds, some carrot seeds, and some onion sets. These are yellow onion sets. Let's go. Planting radish seeds in my kiddie pool raised bed. It has shallow soil, so I wanted to plant something that doesn't require deep soil, and I'm gonna try these radish seeds. So I have some cabbage starter plants beginning here. We'll see how they do. But again, these were 25 cents from Dollar Tree. All right, here's what the radish seeds look like. Let's sow them. All right, my friends, over here I have some weeds growing. I also have like carrot seedlings growing. You see those? Those are carrot seedlings. I also have like, let's see, a little bit of like, that's a marigold seedling. And my beans aren't really doing well. I have beans that are growing over here in containers. I'll show you these containers. So I have watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew, zucchini, and pinto beans growing here. They're doing well. I take them inside whenever it's cold, windy, or rainy. I take them outside whenever the sun is shining because the weather's not too hot right now. All right, my friends. Over here, I'm gonna plant my seeds because I think all my seedlings didn't really come to fruition over here, so I'm gonna be planting my carrots over here. I'm gonna be loosening up the soil with the rake before planting. Well, that is more satisfying than expected. Look how dark it gets when you move it. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's one of my seedlings. Okay, interesting. Okay, cool. Now, this was a more pricey bag of carrots from Home Depot, like $1.50, something like that. So it came with a lot of seeds because I've already used some of these seeds. A bunch of them spilled out in the Ziploc bag. That's a lot. So I'm gonna sow them. Just to cover up the seeds. There we go. Just for an update, this strawberry plant is doing awesome. This strawberry plant is doing awesome. My bare roots have not yet come to fruition. I don't know if they will. We'll see. The soil just seems to be dry and compacted, so I'm just gonna run a rake over it. Okay, it just looks like dirt at this point. I'm gonna have to add some soil to this. Let's look at my new tomato plants. They're doing okay. This one looks kind of sickly. This one actually died. I put a basil plant there that died. This one's doing fine. This one's doing fine. This one's doing fine. This one's doing fine. My raspberry plants are doing awesome. And these are my sickly looking cauliflower and broccoli plants. They need some nitrogen. I'm going to get some at the store today. My potatoes I planted too early. It's too cold and the soil's probably too compacted. So I'm going to plant something else there. Now I'm going to be planting some of these onion sets down here in the soil. See, I have the tomatoes here, and here I'm going to be putting the onions. So see, this part's gonna stick up out of the soil, and this part's gonna be under the soil. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Yellow flowers are growing.
Yellow flowers are growing? Do you want to pick some, baby?
Yeah, to show Mommy and to you.
Oh, very nice.